2. Disc ridger. Disc ridger is a secondary tillage implement. It is used for making ridges for row crops such as sugarcane, potato, chilies, banana, etc., as well as for opening furrows for water flow. The ridger should only be used after tilling the area once or twice and only when the soil is somewhat moist. 2. Disc ridger installation. To install the 2 disc ridger at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly. Implement attachment with tractor. Settings and adjustments. Field operation. Inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to assemble 2 disc ridger. There are 8 number loose parts come with 2 disc ridger. To assemble the 2 disc ridger completely, we need to assemble all these parts correctly. Lift up the main frame and attach left and right side legs with U-clamp. Tight the nuts and bolts with 30 mm spanner. Torque it in 410 Nm. Attach disc with disc hubs of the legs with Allen bolts. Tight the bolts with 8 mm Allen key and 19 mm spanner. Torque it in 86 Nm. Attach the stand with main frame and insert the pin. Attach the connecting rod with main frame by using nuts and bolts. Attach the 3-point linkage on both sides of the main frame. Follow the procedure to assemble the TPL of the ridger. Attach left link, then spacer, then connecting rod, then spacer, then right link. And tight the nuts and bolts with 28 mm spanner. Tight all the bolts of the 3-point linkage and connecting rod with 28 mm spanner. Torque it in 290 Nm. Attach both sides tiller pin on main frame and tight the bolts with 36 mm spanner. Torque it in 710 Nm. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.